G'day, here's a few examples of some Boulder Opal from central Queensland. Rules in millimetres and it's been wetted. First piece, basically just not got a lot of fire in it, but maybe just cut the end off there. Or I'm almost at the point where you'd cut that in half. Just end up shaping this up as a pendant. It's not got a lot of fire in it. Basically good to practice with. This is a little sort of picture stone. Maybe there's some hills there and white clouds in the background. This bit of brown here would probably come off. This piece is quite thick, the potch and colour, but it's got some greens flashing through the end here. Don't know if the camera's picking it up or not. But also I'd grind that off there so you can see what you're going to end up with a bit more. This piece, just basically I'd shape it up as it is, just interesting pattern. Again, this piece, it's got some nice fire in it here, bluey greens. Perhaps slice it off, then make a decision what you're going to do with the rest. Doesn't look like there's a lot of colour in it, but over here on this side there's a little eye of colour here and a blue band running through there, so you might end up with another stone. Some description there. This piece, basically, again, just slice it and see what you end up with, I think, to try to follow the bars. I don't think possibly could be, although you could grind this end off here and then you might find, and it looks like it is sort of running back around and it's coming out here, petering out. But it's sort of like this. That's what I say with this. It's good material just to practice on, to get an idea of the feel of Boulder Opal, how it changes its mind, where the opal's going to run. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.